is Adam Kennedy. I'm originally from Annapolis Valley First Nation, born and raised in Annapolis Valley, Nova Scotia. Spent a lot of time on the eastern shore of Nova Scotia where my father's family's from. So there I learned a lot about boating, lobster fishing. Eventually at the age of 26 I joined the Royal Canadian Navy to the military police, which led to part of the services that we offer here at Sma'knis Maritime Safety Security is marine security. Participating as like an Indigenous member was an eye-opening experience. I had a lot of companies within the Ocean Tech or Ocean Supercluster that approached me to be part of their projects. Just recently our project with Graphite Innovation Technologies. So we had 3 of our vessels coated. The technology I believe is an anti-fouling coating, which basically seals the hull of the vessel, prevents growth on the vessel, which will in turn increase fuel efficiency, and so that in turn is less fuel spent or less fuel burn. But to see some speed increase, fuel savings, and be able to capture our own data where we can use that with regards to some of our own R&D projects, such as developing electric workboats. It's going to probably have more of an impact on shipping all over the globe, I'm sure of it, and I'd be interested to see years to come how it's going to, those numbers will look like. The Ocean Supercluster definitely helped facilitate that relationship between our company and Graphite Innovation Technologies, GIT. The Mi'kmaq are a seafaring tribe, so we've always been a seafaring tribe, and archaeological evidence that we've been here 13,000, 15,000 years ago. The reality is we have a long ways to go in Canada for truth and reconciliation, and whether it's sharing data or labor or whatever the case may be, it's the collaboration part is key, I think. The more that the Ocean Supercluster was able to bring people together, facilitate growing those relationships or networking events, it's important that everybody in the sector at least comes together. As we can see, specifically here, in this Petitcodiac River, they call it the river that bends. It's at the high tide here, but as the oceans rise, where we're standing right here right now could be submerged in water, soon. The more we know about what's happening in the ocean, and especially our oceans here in Atlantic Canada, then the more knowledge we have with regards to ocean management. The more collaboration that the Mi'kmaq leaders have with industry, governments with regards to the science of our oceans and the protection of them, it's going to be better all around for all of our generations ahead. I feel like I'm doing my part by just participating in business in the Ocean Supercluster to put myself out there and just set an example that, if you really have dreams and ambitions and you really set out to do them, you can do them.